Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert dotted line in PowerPoint. You will start by opening your PowerPoint file. When doing so, from the Insert menu, click on Shapes and then choose the desired line. Press the Shift key on your keyboard and drag the line to the desired position. Now from the Shape Format menu, click on Shape Outline and in Weight set the desired line width. When you do it, again from the Shape Outline, click on Dashes, and there you can click on one of the available dotted options. From this same menu, select one of the other options to have these design alternatives for your line in PowerPoint. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.